Hey, this is my review of the Ryobi P1111 18-volt electric lawnmower, cordless. This is not the hybrid version. So let's get right into it. Assembly is very minimal once you get it out of the box. The only thing you have to do is set up the handle. It's very easy. You do so by locking in these fasteners, these clamps. Same thing here, and you can actually adjust it for storage just by flipping this down and folding it over, and then snapping it right back in place. The bag you have to attach, and that's really easy to do if you've ever operated a gas mower before. It's pretty much the same deal. This attachment is for the mulching, if you wish to do that. The unit came with 2 batteries. The charger only charges one at a time. However, I think each one took about hour and a half to charge each. What I like about these batteries are they're the biggest one in terms of the 18-volt 1 series that they sell, and it has this button that indicates how much of the capacity you have remaining. So setting this thing up, when it comes out of the box, it's set to level 1 for the lowest trimming setting, and you saw how quickly that changed there. And to set it back up, it's like shifting gears. Pull it out, turn it this way, and that's pretty much it. So I've got mine set to the 4th tier, and as you can see, the height adjustment 1.5 to 3.5 inches. To get this thing powered, you lift this cover up, and right here is the safety key. So you'll want to keep this stored somewhere away from the kids. You can't operate the unit without it. So, to get it started, place both battery packs in. Put this one first, that way you'll get the other one in as well. And here, click in place. Both are fully charged. And there's a spring on the hinge there, so it closes automatically. You've got the power set in, you've got the safety key set in, and you are ready to roll. So let's give this thing a try. So to get it spinning, you hold down safety button as it says there, and then depress the handles, and you can hear it spinning up. So once you release, it cuts off immediately. Here I've got my mower. Press the button, pull the handle. So I just cut my entire lawn, and it started coming down a bit, so I had to hurry. But just to show you how much battery capacity is remaining, we can take one of these out, and there's the indicator there. So it went down 1 click, or 1 mark, and I'm assuming it took 25% battery capacity. That's for both batteries as well. So just to see if this would run on one battery. I tested it and it does. But it does sound a little different and it takes a little longer to spool up. So if we leave that one in, push our button in, squeeze the lever. That's really the only difference. Overall, I think this is a great mower. I've had it for about a month now and I've done 4 cuts once a week. The grass has been growing crazy here in Georgia. Now I've owned a riding mower and a push mower, both gas, that had, the push mower had the powered front wheels, but, I guess the biggest argument is how long you can mow for, and for my needs, this suits me just fine. I think I'm going to buy into the whole Ryobi 1 Plus ecosystem, where you can use these packs as batteries for your chainsaw, your blower, even your trimmers or weed whackers. So my next review will probably be the blower. I think I'm going to give that a try. So I'm going to collapse the arms, show you how that's done, and that pretty much sums up my review. One last thing, there is a grab handle here. I guess if you have a shelf of some sort or you want to quickly move the unit, it's really pretty light even with the batteries in it. So definitely easy to store and easy to clean. I like not having to carry gas or mix it with 2-cycle engine oil and to worry about the smell going back and refueling. Having the ability to just pop these right in and charge them and I guess most importantly repurpose them for other uses, I think that's great. Hey, this is my review of the Ryobi P1111 18-volt electric lawnmower, cordless. This is not the hybrid version. So let's get right into it. Assembly is very minimal once you get it out of the box. The only thing you have to do is set up the handle. It's very easy. You do so by locking in these fasteners, these clamps. Same thing here, and you can actually adjust it for storage just by flipping this down and folding it over, and then snapping it right back in place. The